Hey Biscuits, do you ever feel like, geez, you just want to simplify your life? You want to make cleaning easier, you want to make organizing easier, and really what I've come to as a point in tidying and keeping the house in shape is that we have too much stuff that we're holding on to that isn't actually serving us in any way. We aren't wearing these particular clothes, like some of the clothes I just don't fit, or I bought and I never wore because it never looked good and I just felt bad about keeping it or like throwing it away after not wearing it. Some stuff is excess toys that are just broken over the years. So I'm doing a mega through the houses. I'm going to do several episodes of this, of just decluttering the house by throwing stuff away. If it's in good shape, I can donate it, and just making it easier for me to keep the house clean, because I've got a good routine going right now of keeping our house clean. But what I'm running into is that I'm spending all my time tidying instead of actually cleaning. And so I thought I would start with my closet of mayhem. And oh my goodness, I'm throwing away a shirt that I'm emotionally attached to, but it doesn't fit that well because it's shrunk in the wash over years. And I don't need it. It's not a great shirt. It was third hand by the time I got it. I just have to accept that. Oh my goodness. My party dresses, I have a really hard time partying with. I'm kind of keeping these for Pear Bear and any other daughters I might have. But I'm trying to decide, what do I not wear anymore, Biscuits? And I'm willing to bet it's more than I want to admit. It's funny that I start on dresses because I'm like, I feel like dresses are what I wear the most of. Okay, so I'm going to show you these emotional attachment ones. These are like these beautiful classic J. Crew shirts. And I don't even really wear them anymore because they're a little cropped. They just always have been, and I'm not as big into crop tops now. So let's see. What do I not wear? It's going to be one of those things where I don't actually throw anything out. Okay. Super attached to this. My mom gave me this dress. Super cozy and comfy. I don't really wear it because it's extremely unflattering. And it's stained because I've had it for years. Again, I got that secondhand. And I'm just super attached to it. I'm like, oh, I like the idea of it. This sweater is older than my son. Did I get the stains out of it? Oh God, no. This is totally stained. I don't know why. I love this sweater. It was the vibe that I wanted to be at a certain point in my life. I don't know how else to explain it. It's not a particularly fancy sweater or anything, but I'm gonna toss it. It's stained. It's ridiculous that I'm keeping a stained sweater for nostalgia. I can't even wear it. That's my son's shirt. No, I know what shirt this is. I'm keeping this shirt. That shirt I actually wear. It looks exactly like my kid's shirt, so that's always hard too. Okay, so really there's not actually that much in this closet, which surprises me. Okay, what about you, little white dress? Ooh, so I actually have worn this dress a fair amount, but it's kind of gotten to be like a weird off-white color over the years, and it's completely translucent. Like, I think it's supposed to be a swim cover-up, but I'm gonna let that go. This is a shirt that I've had for like as long as I've been an adult. I don't know why I was so obsessed with like, I will wear this one day. I never wear this and it's stained. It's stained, so, yeah. Oh my goodness, I can't believe how much stained stuff I've been keeping. It's weird how like, I don't know if you do this, Biscuits, but sometimes I just hold on to stuff, not even because I wear it or want it. This is a really cute dress, and I'm going to try this on. Put that in my maybe pile because I don't actually think I've worn it because it's a really heavyweight fabric, but too short to wear in the winter. And this dress I do wear and I love. Cute skirts I always wear. Okay, this guy I do not wear, so he can go. He's an old stained tank top from Target from, I think, when I lived in Arizona. Isn't that silly? Tell me in the comments, Biscuits. I'm genuinely curious. Do you do what I do, which is just hoard on to stuff? What? Okay, this is embarrassing. I don't even recognize what this shirt is. Oh, it's inside out. This is from my old merch line, In Pursuit of Magic. Oh, I like that. Okay, so I'm really attached to this because it's from my merch line. I have to think about that. That's a hard one for me because I don't particularly wear it. It's a men's shirt. I got it for a modeling shoot to advertise it. And I don't think that it's very well. Oh. Okay, what about you? This I love, but it's seen better days. I think I have to let it go. I really like this. I've had this for ages. I don't even know where I got this. I don't remember. Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Okay. This is an old stained shirt. This is just embarrassing how much old stuff I keep around here. Biscuits, you're like really high up. I'm gonna move you down so you can see a little bit more of what I'm actually doing. Okay, this shirt I do actually wear all the time. I wear that dress. This ancient tank top is older than my son. I do not need to wear that because it doesn't actually fit well. Same with this. My breasts pop out of this is what I know that it's not. My body shape has changed a lot since having kids, and I'm totally happy with that. I love my body shape, but it does mean that stuff that I have been holding on to is maybe a little silly. Oh, this is a really good dress. And my problem is I never really go out and do anything to wear like a nice simple little summer dress, so I have to really consider whether that makes sense to keep. Let's see. Which are you? This one I'm going to have to try on. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is another one of those. I want to be the person that wears this. It's a beautiful dress. It's a little beaten up over time, but it's a beautiful dress. You know what saved me is all of these stains. I think that this was in the closet at my old house. Biscuits, if you followed along like 3 years ago, you remember this? That had all that flooding because the builder was a moron and actually didn't waterproof anything in the bathroom. Other contractors were shocked. I think that this is staining from there, which I didn't even realize had happened. Okay, this shirt I'm keeping because, gosh darn it, it's a little obscene when I wear it because it's like, it's such soft fabric, but like, boy, it's nippy, no matter what, but it's so comfy. I will try to remember to not wear it on camera because I have accidentally before and I've gone, whoops, oopsie doodle. So I actually have this t-shirt dress in 2 colors. I'm going to part with it. I just am because I don't wear it. I don't wear these. Woo! Okay. I'm keeping a bit more than I would like to be saying of dresses that I don't know that I'm going to wear, but that I really want to have around in case my daughter wants them. My mom threw out all her beautiful dresses when she went through a minimalist phase, and I was so bummed because I was like, oh, Mom, do you have any nice, what is this? Oh, do you have any, oh, wow, I think this is a goner too. Boy, a lot of that stuff that was in that closet from the old house. I've tried to treat it and everything. This is a beautiful dress. I think it's ruined. That bums me out. Yeah. Oh, that bums me out. I love this dress. It's one of the few dresses I've ever had altered to fit me. I think that stupid flood 3 years ago just ruined all this stuff. And I've washed it, I've treated it, I've done all the stuff you can to it, and just won't come back. But I'm shocked by the amount of stuff that has water damage that I managed to move with. Like just really clear bad water damage. I don't know why I moved with stuff that looks like that. I wonder if it was in storage already or something. Okay, this I love. I wore this when I went to Savannah, and I felt so fabulous in it, like, oh, aren't I a modern lady? Even though it is just, excuse me, a simple black little one piece, but it's kind of really stained and worn because I like only packed a couple outfits on that trip, and I wore the heck out of that. So it was a very cheap Amazon find. I don't feel bad about parting ways with that one. Okay, I've owned this for 5 million years. I don't think I've ever actually seriously worn it. It's really cute. It's adorable, but I think it's Man, oh, this whole shedding dresses, it's really hard. Oh boy, this brings biscuits. I can't believe I'm bringing you along something so personal. This was a dress I wore, I think, on my very first trip to Italy. How's it holding up? I have to admit, it was not a very comfortable dress, but I loved it because it was simple. Made me feel like it didn't look too American. I think I'm going to part with this one because I kind of doubt it's going to still fit, if I'm being honest. And it's all these white clothes have like really kind of tinged with age. Oh my goodness, stuff I didn't even realize I was holding on to. Wow. Okay. Well, be proud of me, biscuits. Now I have to go into like the casual t-shirt section. That's hard with posture. I'm gonna go like that. That's what I'm about throwing things out. And I'm gonna see. Oh, biscuits. I have what do you call it? Swimsuits and stuff there. Oh my god. I don't even want to show you how messy it is in here. I've just been stuffing stuff in because the kids have been absolute animals whenever I've been doing laundry folding. It's been awful. Okay, this I think it's a nursing sweatshirt, and I never wore it because it's not actually warm. So it's not a handy shirt, but it's a little bit too sweaty and small. All the Asian sizes for maternity wear, I will not buy again because it just doesn't actually fit. So, oh my goodness, biscuits, this is a tough one. What do I want to toss in here? I've already gone through most of my shirts, so I feel like I'm doing pretty good in here. It just looks terrible because it's really disorganized. Okay, so I'm going to organize this up, and I will do a closet tour when it's actually like folded and organized. It's just piled right now. Like I half folded stuff and then threw it in because every time I try to do laundry, the kids fight. So okay, I'm going to come back. I'm going to do this at a later time because I can tell that I want to get some little storage baskets for stuff and things and decide what I do and don't want. You can tell I wear a lot of just casual t-shirts and stuff, and my beautiful dresses. I love these simple, like really casual, inexpensive dresses because I can wear them around the house and not be worried about getting them ruined. That has been one of my pursuits this year, is to feel a little bit more glamorous at home, but in stuff that I can still play with kids in and cook in and not like be super precious about, but still feel a little bit better about what I'm wearing and not just be in sweats. Even though today I'm all hot because I was running around cleaning, but it's kind of cold today for the summer. Like even for us, I think it was supposed to be high of like 58 today, which is comical because then I think tomorrow's supposed to be like 71, so the weather can't decide. Alrighty, biscuits, I'm going to see you over on my Patreon where I do the full, uncut, burlesque themed cleaning self-care, our primal self-care of how we are getting back to our ancestral need for self-care. Come on, come join the Patreon family, and I will see you on here on the next video.